Okay guys, for today's video, pag-usapan natin ay isang digital bank but more on their loan service. So, nagkaroon na tayo ng review nito before, which is ito. Yan, si Tonic Bank. Si Tonic Bank ay one of the 6 digital banks. And siya yung naging first digital bank natin dito sa Philippines. Meron na siyang loan service before. Tinawag tong Tonic Loan, naging Tonic Quick Loan. And ngayon, Tonic Credit Builder. With as low as 5,000 pesos, pwede ka nang manghiram sa bangko. So, samahan nyo ako. Pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Come right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na yun ng videos and playlists na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so nasabi ko nga na si Tonic ay isang digital banks and isa sa nauna na digital banks dito sa Pilipinas. Yung product nila, yung loan product nila, nagsimula yan sa dalawa yung loans nila. Tonic Quick Loan and then yung Tonic Big Loan yata yun. So pang malakihan na amount. And then Quick Loan, medyo small amounts. And then they combined it and they called it Tonic Loan, Tonic Quick Loan, parang ganon. Later on, nung nag-apply ako niyan last 2 years ago, hindi ko naman siya tinuloy, so hindi ko alam kung eligible ako. Pero I know for the fact during that time, hindi pa ako eligible kasi hindi ko nga ginagamit din si Tonic for my digital bank. So, more on, I feel na magre-rely sila sa report sa CIC. So, during that time naman, sabi ko nga, hindi pa kagandahan ang aking credit score. So, ngayon, sinubukan ko ulit. With Tonic Credit Builder, you can loan as low as 5,000 pesos or start with 20,000 pesos max. Basically, kung wala ka pang credit history with Tonic Bank, dito ka magsisimula sa 5,000 to 20,000 pesos. And ang loan term dito, payable siya in 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months. Silipin natin ang website ni Tonic Bank regarding the Tonic Credit Builder Loan para malaman natin kung ano yung mga ina-advertise na sinasabi niya. Ayan, Credit Builder. Build credit for your financial ever after. Start with a 20,000 pesos loan today. I-scroll natin pa ba ito? Start small, score big. Start small, start now. No immediate need for a loan. No problem. Establishing a good credit history today sets the stage for your future financial benefits, helping you to secure better deals when it's time for those big life moments. Parang ito is for you to create a relationship with Tonic Bank. Kasi makikita naman ni Tonic Bank dito yung attitude mo towards money. So, isa sa bagay na tinitingnan niya ng mga lenders. Okay, building credit, simplified. Your Tonic account is key to easy credit building. Regular payment, saving with a stash, and everyday transaction can all contribute to your credit score. This means you'll be eligible for the loan you need when you need it. Yan, parang yun nga, setting up the road for a later time. Yan, secure your financial future, take the first step, yada yada. Okay. For us daw to create a good credit history with them is meron tayong regular payment transfer, nagta-top up tayo, nagsasave daw tayo with the stash, and using the virtual and physical card. Eligibility, so 23 to 58 years old, Filipino nationality, Filipino resident, may valid ID, may Tonic savings account na, minimal requirement. Ano itong minimal requirement? And a valid TIN number for employed and self-employed. So ito, may calculator naman sila, pwede nating subukan before we head over dun sa app. You can apply for as much as 12,000 with up to 12 months installment period. Okay, so try natin 5,000 and 6 months. Yan. Ibig sabihin daw, yung 5,000 pesos ay may installment ng 1,078.84. Nakalagay dito yung interest rate daw ay as low as 4.84 monthly. So check natin, 1,078.84 times 6 minus 5,000, 1,473 yung total interest ng 5,000 sa loob ng 6 months. Divide natin yan by 5,000, 29% sa 6 na buwan times 2. Ibig sabihin, ang APR nila ay naglalaro around 58.92% per annum yung interest. So, divide natin to by 12 para makita natin yung monthly. Nasa 4.91 nga. So, kung babalik tayo, malapit-lapit naman, 4.84. Sabi naman kasi diba, as low. So, yeah. Tapos, may pay hinga. Yung pay hinga, ito. Once you have 3 consecutive on-time payments, meaning nakatatlong buwan ka na pagbabayad, pwede mo daw gamitin yung pay hinga mo sa loan. Ibig sabihin, yun, payment holiday, hindi ka magbabayad ng isang buwan. Parang ganon. Yan. So, basically, yan yung information about their website. Now, let's head over and apply dito sa Tonic Credit Builder Loan sa app. Kung makikita nyo, walang laman ng aking Tonic bank account kasi more on review purpose lang to. Ayan, 0. Tapos, nakalock yung virtual card. Sa ilalim, ayan, put your cash in a stash. Tapos, may time deposit and then, ito, fast cash or easy payment. Itong loans nila sa ilalim. So, click natin yan. Ayan, need fast cash or easy payments. Everybody loves fast and easy. And oh boy, we got you covered. Ito, Credit Builder. Start small, score big. So, Credit Builder, apply for a Credit Builder loan today to unlock high credit score and higher loan amounts. So, get your loan now. And then, meron din sa baba, ito naman, for items. Mag-shopping ka. Para tong home credit na item ang bibilin mo. So, click natin yung Credit Builder. So, katulad ng calculator kanina, ito, gusto ko lang i-try. 5,000 pesos lang. Enter natin yan. Tapos, ito, tama naman. 1,078.84 din yung nakalagay dito. And then, yung pay hinga na bundle, 98.28 pesos. Tapos, may kasama daw na credit life insurance. Guys, nung last time na ginawa ko to, nag-apply ako without pay hinga. Pero, anong nangyari? Na-decline ako. Pero, so ngayon, try nating subukan na may pay hinga. Yan, protect yourself with pay hinga. So, protection for life uncertainties, enjoy a month-long payment break, and get payment insurance. So, yan. 4.91 nga, based sa calculation natin kanina. So, magkakaroon daw ng deduction yung loan natin ng 500 pesos na processing fee at saka 19 pesos. I-calculate natin yan later on kung magkano yung total. Bali, ang total monthly ko daw ay 1,177.12. Masakit pala yung pay hinga. Parang 100 pesos for 6 months, 98.28 pesos. Kala ko 98.28 pesos lang ang pay hinga for your one term. Kasi di ba, ang usual sa mga cooperatives kapag naglo-loan ka, meron ding mga insurance yan. Hindi naman ganito kalakihan na 500 pesos. Okay, sige. Try lang din natin na may pay hinga. Baka naman ma-approve tayo this time. Pagka-click natin ng I accept, what do you need it for? Sample lang, house furniture. Yan. And then, you work in content creation ako eh. Pwede naman i-enter dito yung manually kung wala. Ako, i-enter ko na lang content creation. Tapos, what's your job title or role? YouTube content creator. Industry do you work in? I think ang pinakamalapit sa akin ay media. Yan. And then, other information. Are you married, single, widow? I-answeran nyo na lang yan. How many dependents you have, tapos what is your highest educational attainment, and then reference, and then additional reference. Tapos tatanungin ka kung current yung address na naka-register sa'yo doon, confirm mo lang. Tapos tatanungin ka kung magkano ang monthly income mo, where do you work. Tapos i-enter nyo rin yung TIN number nyo or tax identification number. If in case na meron kang other mobile number, you can also enter it here. Okay, pagka-submit nyo yan, may lalabas. Because we're clingy, we might call you on your registered mobile number, so keep your phone near. Tapos, after this, terms and condition na, scroll nyo lang pababa, basahin nyo. I recommend na basahin nyo, pero for these illustrations, skip na natin siya sa baba. And hold on, babe. Thanks for completing those steps. We're now processing your loan. It won't take long. So, wala nangyari. Loan in progress. Stop here to continue. If you completed the steps, wait for 24 hours for an update. And yes, after 24, actually hindi after 24 hours, gabi ko yung ginawa. Kinabukasan, umaga around 9 o'clock, tumawag sa cellphone ko, and then, nag-verify lang. The usual verification. Kung nakapag-apply na kayo ng credit card, the usual verification, tatanungin yung pangalan, address, tapos mother's maiden name. Yung mga details na in-enter nyo dun sa app, kailangan masabi nyo. So, sabi ko, content creator ako. Tapos, yun, kinonfirm yung monthly na kinikita ko. And yeah, basically, yun lang naman. Tapos, sabi, ipapasa na daw for review. And then, before mag-lunch, 11 o'clock, 2 hours after nung call, nakita ko to. Yan, loans. You're approved. Congratulations. Stop here to complete your application and claim your loan. So, nagulat din ako dito. Hindi ko in-expect na coming from a bank. Though, si C-Bank naman, in-approve naman ako. Pero, natutuwa lang ako na, more and more banks ang nakikita na nag-improve na ang aking credit score. So, click natin yung loans. Ayan. You got approved. Offers valid for a few weeks daw. Approve amount is 5,000 pesos. Confirm applied installment. So, basically, kung ano yung sinelect natin. Ayan, 1,177.12 per month. eto, hindi ko pa siya ina-accept. Nagko-contemplate pa ako kung I'll create a good credit standing with them or hayaan ko lang na may ganyan. Anyway, i-calculate natin yung totoong APR niya kasi meron nga deduction na 519 pesos. So basically sa 5,000 pesos, i-minus natin 519 pesos. 500 pesos for the processing fee and 19 pesos for documentary stamp. Ang matatanggap ko na lang sa kanila ay 4,481. So ang babayaran sa kanila monthly ay 1,177.12 times 6 months, naging 7,062. I-minus natin yung net proceeds natin na 4,481. Yan, bali ang total na cost of loan natin ay 2,581.72. I-divide natin yan by 4,481. Nasa around 57.61% ang interest niya for 6 months. Guys, this is for 6 months. So, i-multiply natin to by 2 para makuha natin yung APR niya. Lumalabas na 115% ang APR niya. For a bank, medyo malaki to. Kunin natin ang kanyang monthly, divide natin yan by 12. Ayan, lumalabas sa akin na 9.60% ang effective interest rate nung loan na binibigay sa akin. So, for me, medyo malaki to. Tama na hindi ko talaga kunin to at the moment kasi para lang ako magsasayang and hindi ko kailangan nito at this time. Pero, yeah, interest will vary from person to person. So, yung experience ko may not be the same ng may experience nyo. Kasi it depends on our credit score or credit standing. Yeah, basically, yan po yung experience ko with Tonic. So, marirecommend ko ba ang Tonic Credit Builder Loan? If you want to have further relationship with Tonic Bank, I guess this is your first step. Yeah, you can take 5,000 or 20,000 loan and make sure na continuous payment nyo. Medyo masakit lang din sa akin yung paying kulang ko lang 600 pesos. Pero kung wala naman doon, mas mababa ang chance mong ma-approve. Okay, for our question of the day, tama naman yung yung sinasabi ni Tonic na start small and then further sets you up to a higher credit limit because you're creating relationship with the bank. So, ang question ko ngayon is, mas okay ba sa inyo na yes, create a relationship with few banks or create further relationships with other banks, other lending institutions. Basically, mas damihan natin. Ano sa tingin nyo mas okay? Let me know po sa comment section sa baba at may chance po kayo manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Lamdire. Lamdire. Sabi niya, always po ako nanonood sa iyo. Pa-shoutout po. At Lamdire. Shoutout po sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa laging panonood ng aking mga videos dito sa aking channel. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala na problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para mag-receive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto, and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!